This is the 1999 Nissan Elgrand. It has 104,702 original miles. It comes with the VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It does come with an automatic transmission and it is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to let you know that this vehicle does come in kilometers right here. So this number up here, this number up here, 168,503 is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 104,702. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start with the driver's side. We're coming to the rear tires. I do want to tell y'all thank you for all the support. We really appreciate you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.